no longer turn away from the wound that shaped my name. Every sorrow opens wide when I let it stay. What I carried as my pain loses shame, loses claim. It becomes a common thread running through us all the same. Love moves through what breaks the heart. Nothing here is cast aside. Every tear becomes a gate where the whole steps inside.
I do not seek another way. Nothing left I need to find. What I am has always been love with no divide.
Love moves through what breaks the heart, holds the world without defense. What was human falls away. Only truth and tenderness. The cup is filled with what I feel. Every wound now made of light. In acceptance, something vast.